Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the listing ceremony of Zim Laboratories Private Limited. Incepted in 1989, Zim has made a significant mark as a pharma innovator. Throughout all these years, constantly penetrating newer areas of pharmaceutical technology and business, Zim has established itself as a preferred healthcare solution provider in the field of new drug delivery systems. Zim is amongst a few companies globally to have developed and commercialized the oral film technology. The first Indian company to manufacture multi-layer thin films that contain more than one API on a single thin strip. Company to get listed here at BSE this morning in a short while from now. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for me to invite our dignitaries on the dais and welcome them with a floral tribute. We first welcome Dr. Anwar Siraj Dode, Chairman and Managing Director. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, BSc. Mr. Zulfikar Kamal, Director Finance. Mrs. Kavita Loya, Independent Director. Mr. Neeraj Dariwal, Director, Business Development. Mr. Suprakash Chakravarti, Independent Director. Mr. Padmakar Joshi, Independent Director. And Mr. Rikin Sangvi, ICICI Securities Limited. We will now have the traditional lighting of the lamp. Joining them are Mrs. Monica Dadiwal, Ms. Nishika Dadiwal, and Mrs. Tasneem Daud. And Mrs. Sabah Kamal. We will now have a group photograph. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We now have the opening address by Mr. Rikin Sanghvi, ICICI Securities Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Rikin Sanghvi.
Very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Zim Laboratories Limited, I extend a warm welcome to all of you and thank you for taking the time out for joining us for this significant milestone in the journey of the company. I will start with a very short introduction for Dr. Dawood, who I've known for nearly 10 years now. So Dr. Dawood is the founder, promoter, and the managing director of Zim Laboratories. So he is a PhD in pharmaceutical sciences. He started Zim Laboratories in 1989, and since inception, he has led the research and development function and has been the driving force of continuous innovation for the company. He was the co-inventor of 14 process patents that the company has filed in the last few years. And very recently, he was honored for his contribution to the pharmaceutical profession by the Central India Pharmacy Promotion and Research Association at the hands of Shri Nitin Gadkari. He was also felicitated by the Central Institute of Business Management, Research and Development, Nagpur, for showing leadership, entrepreneurship, and dedicated service to the region. We at ICICI Securities are the advisor to the company for this particular listing and are extremely proud to be associated with them. Zim was, I'll give you a very, very short background on Zim Laboratories. I think it was already covered a little bit earlier, but you know, based on my experience, I'd like to mention that the company is basically an R&D driven technology-based company that focuses on developing innovative drug delivery solutions that help enhance convenience and adherence of drug intake by patients. Its value proposition is its ability to provide a range of technology-based drug delivery solutions and non-infringing proprietary manufacturing processes for the development, manufacture and supply of innovative and differentiated generic pharmaceutical products to its customers globally. The company provides end-to-end support to its clients, including product development, country-specific registration dossiers, manufacturing and supply, as well as marketing support. With this, I would like to show you a short video on the journey of Zim Laboratories on the large screen here.
What is innovation? Is it just about being tech savvy? Or is it about being convenient enough to multitask? Today, innovation is a simple answer to all complex situations. It is the demand of the next-gen identity. For the go-getters, for the trendsetters, the disruptive innovation happening all around us has indeed created civilization on the go. New technologies have led to rapid changes and unprecedented opportunities impacting all spheres of life, especially healthcare. Today, maximizing productive time is critical in bringing healthcare to the fast and changing lifestyles. Health on the go is the new standard. Riding on this new wave of change is Zim Laboratories. Zim is a pharmaceutical company focused on providing innovative drug delivery solutions that improve convenience and adherence of drug treatment. The revolutionary, patented, thin oral technology, one of our first mover advantages, pioneering fast-dissolving oral thin films. This innovative approach opens a large portfolio of product opportunities using the same platform in multiple therapies addressing the nervous system, respiratory, musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, gastrointestinal, hematology, and nutritional deficiencies customized to meet the distinctive needs of patients everywhere, ensuring ease of portability, access and administration without the conventional limitations of traditional dosage forms. It's wellness at the tip of your tongue, on the go that enables precise dosing, thin oral technology.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I invite Dr. Anwar Siraj Dawood, Zim Laboratories Limited, to give us a speech. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Anwar Siraj Dawood, Chairman and Managing Director.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chavan Saab, my colleagues sitting on the dais with me today, and all guests, friends, family who have been associated with us, been with us in this great journey of ours. It's indeed a great moment for us. Our company is listing on Bombay Stock Exchange, Asia's first and fastest growing stock exchange. We would like to thank our shareholders who have invested in our company from 1994 and have been with us through various business cycles. We also would like to thank our PE investor, AA India Development Fund, who helped us to grow by guiding us throughout these years. Lastly, we would like to thank BSE for this opportunity for listing so that our shareholders, mainly the minority shareholders, benefit from a platform to realize their value. Coming a long way since our inception in 1989, Zim is today a specialty pharma technology company, as you saw in some the initial parts of the film. We specialize in complex generics and differentiated products based on proprietary novel drug delivery solutions that improve convenience and adherence to drug treatment. At this moment, I am very happy to inform you and excited that we have a portfolio of 53 process patents. We have more than 260 products, a very vibrant product portfolio, intellectual property. We have 175 very loyal customers spread across 45 countries. And we have market leadership of oral film technology in India, having launched a large portfolio of products in the market, and amongst a handful of oral film technologies companies globally. Indeed, in many ways, ready to take advantage of the opportunity for oral films, which is proposed to grow at 9% CAGR globally, and by 2024 reach a market size of $16 billion. Although this journey of the last 25 years has been certainly eventful, today we find ourselves once again at the beginning of another exciting journey. The transformation of our company to this point now uniquely positions it to take advantage of the massive disruptions and paradigm shifts taking place in the pharmaceutical business, locally as well as globally. Indeed, our destiny as an important player in pharmaceutical formulation business awaits us. I thank all those who have given us their support, and I'm privileged to welcome any new member who will accompany us on this exciting, profitable journey which will start in a few moments. We assure our stakeholders and investors of constant value creation, transparency, good governance, and our continued efforts to make medicines and treatment both convenient and treatment adherent. On this positive note, I would like to thank you all once again for sparing your valuable time and busy schedule and making it to this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan of BSE to address all of us. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan.
Dr. Anwar Daud, Shri Nikaj Dhariwal, Shri Padmakar Joshi, Srimati Kavita Loya, Shri Zulfikar Kamal, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure and honor to have you here today on the auspicious occasion of listing of ZIM Laboratories. Listing of a company is a key step for moving forward, opening new avenues and opportunities for growth. An IPO gives prominence to the endeavor of the company, and we at BSE always look forward to encourage the accomplishment of these best practices. As seen in the past, growth and impetus is given to each and every company that gets listed on BSE. I am happy to be standing before you, representing the proud history of BSE of over 143 years. BSE has over 5,500 listed equities and debt on its platform, making it the largest of any exchange in the world. BSE has played a prominent role in developing Indian capital market. It is Asia's first and now the fastest stock exchange in the world with speed of 6 microseconds. BSE has kept pace with the latest in technology. BSE provides a robust capital sourcing and trading platform, and it is seen as an investment exchange and not a speculative one. It provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equity, debt, currencies, interest rates, equity derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, borrowing, and many more. BSE puts forward a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Today, more than $2.5 trillion of wealth is represented here. India has a total wealth of around $9 trillion. Almost one-third is represented in this hall. This hall used to be the trading ring of BSE, which was converted into a hall after BSE became automated in 1995. The S&P BSE Sensex is often referred to as the barometer of Indian economy and is called India's index the world tracks. I am sure that our newest member, ZIM Laboratories, will continue to add value to this success story. ZIM is a pioneer in drug delivery solutions, targeting patient convenience and adherence. In a bold move, ZIM Laboratories have gone for a direct listing process by selling shares to the public without the help of any intermediaries. We are very proud of you, sir, that you have taken this step and shown way to many more entrepreneurs going forward. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate ZIM Laboratories' successful listing and wish them the best as they forge forward in their business. I extend my best wishes to the entire team of ZIM Laboratories and once again welcome them on the main board of BSE. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you, sir. And now we move on to the next part of our ceremony for this morning. That is the exchange of mementos. And the first one will be given by BSE to the management, from Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to Dr. Anwar Siraj Daud, Chairman and Managing Director. From Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to Mr. Zulfikar Kamal, Director of Finance. Yes, then we have Mr. Niraj Daniwal, Director, Business Development. Mrs. Kavita Loya, Independent Director. Mr. Padmakar Joshi, Independent Director. Mr. Suprakash Chakravarti, Independent Director. Mr. Rikin Sangvi, ICICI Securities Limited. And Mr. Piyush Nikhade, Company Secretary. Now we have the exchange. Now we have it from Dr. Anwar Siraj Daud to BSc, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Yeah. This one. Mr. Rikin Sangvi. Mrs. Ongu Shering. Representing J. Sagar and Associates, the legal advisors. Mr. Ishwar Suvarna, Registrar of the issue. Then we have Mr. Nayan Shah, agency, that's Concept Communications. From the auditors, Mr. Adi Setna. Mr. Dulip Jayawardene. All right. Immediately after this, we would move towards the gong. And ladies and gentlemen, I would need your assistance for the countdown. And all those of you who are seated in the front, kindly remain seated because our cameras behind will not be able to capture this most exciting moment. Everybody, 8, 7, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Congratulations, Zim Laboratories Limited. Immediately after this, we have the vote of thanks by Mr. Zulfikar Kamal. No, we have still 2 more trophies to be given. Give it to them. Yeah. We have 2 more mementos to be given, ladies and gentlemen. One is to Mr. Dulip Jayawardene, Tabrani Pharmaceuticals from Sri Lanka. He's coming all the way from Sri Lanka. And Mr. Aklauk Ur Rehman. He's coming from Bangladesh. Thank you, gentlemen. And now for the vote of thanks, please welcome Mr. Zulfikar Kamal.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure, a privilege and honors to stand here and extend a heartfelt thanks on behalf of Zim Laboratories Limited, myself, to all you have present here. I also like to thank everyone who has contributed in whatever way in getting Zim shares listed on Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. It's both an occasion and achievement and a milestone of Zim, the first pharmaceutical company of Central India to have its shares listed on BSE. And we look forward for full cooperation and faith of our stakeholders to scale greater heights ahead. I especially want to express my immense gratitude for all the support and assistance provided by officials of the BSE, our merchant bankers, ICICI Securities, our legal consultants, J. Sagar and Associates, our auditors, Grant Thornton, our legal advisors, and all the other consultants who have helped us and contributed in making Zim to achieve this major landmark. It wouldn't have been possible without my colleague directors on the board, Dr. Daud, Mr. Neeraj Dhariwal, and other independent directors, and most importantly, our employees who had worked tirelessly to make Zim what it is today. I would also like to thank our private equity partners, AA Development Fund, our vendors, our well-wishers for their constant support. I would also like to thank Aklak Bhai, who has come all the way from Bangladesh, Mr. Dulip and his family, who has come from Sri Lanka, and Dr. Nasir Kamal, who has come all the way from Dubai to make this occasion a grand success. And last but not the least, our families, especially our wives and better halves who have lived the dream with us, Sabah, and Mrs. Dhariwal and Mrs. Daud, who have been without the continuous support, and our families who have made this possible. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you once again for making the time out of your busy schedules to be with us today. Zim Laboratories Limited has a couple of their products put on display there. You can take a look at it in a while from now. And do join us for breakfast in a short while. Thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you, gentlemen.